Hello everyone and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode, and this time about how to announce a promotion on LinkedIn. I'm Marie Zametsnikova, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So today we will be looking at the promotion on LinkedIn because this is how LinkedIn actually started. Because it was more as an interactive CV, and if you remember, LinkedIn was really all about to actually announce the promotions on the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn really love these kind of posts. So, and especially these promotions, when done right, it highlights your achievements and allows you to engage with your network in a meaningful ways. A promotion is a significant career milestone, and LinkedIn is the perfect platform to share it. It showcases your growth and also helps you stay visible within your industry. So why you should actually announce your promotion is because it's important, and especially it's important because it boosts your credibility and network engagement. So let's take a look on how to craft the perfect LinkedIn promotion post. So there are 3 really good steps to do so. Alongside that, you should of course choose the right tone and the structure. So when you are creating a post, here I will just use Author app. So this is a really great extension for your LinkedIn, which is actually showing you how it looks like, so that you can have really good hook. So first we want to share your promotion in a straightforward manner. So here usually people use, I am honored to announce that blah 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 X, Y, Z. Then we want to have a reflection. So we want to talk briefly about our growth and the skills we have gained in our role. So for example, during the past 5 years I have been able to blah 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 ABC. And then the third one is gratitude. So we want to acknowledge the people who helped us along the way, for example, our team, mentors, or colleagues. So this is very important because then we can actually get more engagement. So if you add some people and they interact, they like it, they comment it, then the post is actually getting pushed more and more. So, and it also shows you more as more gratitude, more like teamwork and things like this. And the bonus is also looking forward. So you should also end by expressing your excitement for the future and what you hope to accomplish in the new role. In this new role, I will have a big challenge ahead, which will be blah blah blah. So this is how you craft the best promotion post on LinkedIn, and it's really important to keep it this way with a hook, but still to have the authenticity and to really express what you feel in that post, because the most trading and the most interesting is who is actually you in the personal branding. So thank you so much for watching. This is the end of this episode. I'm Marie Zametsnikova, the CEO and founder of Marie Ltd, Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. If you want to get in touch with me and you would like some consultation, then go to marieolivier.com and click in get in touch, and here you can just fill out the quick form and let me know what you need, and we can take a look at your personal brand, marketing funnel, different platforms, or digital products review. And also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so you will get other episodes right into your browser. And I will be looking forward to see you next time. Bye.